What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will show you how to fix game client not working on Roblox. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, go to your Roblox icon and right click it, then go to show more options, then go to the properties. Then under properties, you will see this run tab right here that says normal window. Just make it to minimize, and after that, just click apply. Then go to the compatibility settings. Then just click this run this program as compatibility mode 4 and made it to the lowest Windows settings. Just set it to Windows 7. Then after that, just click this run this program as an administrator and also disable full screen optimization. And after click that, just click apply. Then click this run compatibility troubleshooter. And after you click that, this will show you this Windows tab detecting the issues. And right there, just click try recommended settings, then test the program, and it will open your Roblox and detect its issues. So as you can see, it's successfully installed. And after that, just click next. And after you click next, just click this save these settings for this program. And after you click it, as you can see, the detecting additional issue has been completed and the incompatible program has been fixed. And that's it. That's how you do it. And you can now open your Roblox and it will be working fine. And that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.